beaches?
No. I don't know if that's what you mean.
He's cheaper than a cab.
We can't even both fit on there.
The way I plan to hold on to him, we can. Seashell? You know what? I'm just gonna have the valet guy call me a cab, but I'll meet you there. Hey you. Don't you want to know my name?
Вечерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами.